The first thing we're going to do, might tighten it up because we'll be standing on it. These covers here need to come off, but we need to put them somewhere safely, because when we move the green feed again somewhere, we're going to take the chimneys off and we need these covers to put back on again. So this one just pulls off like that. Just got a thing like that. But this one we need to get a large screwdriver. If someone could grab a large just a plain screwdriver. Yeah, and we just, you can do it. Here you go. Yeah, and then just this pulls off like that. Then we need to keep these somewhere safe. We need to make a plastic bag or something to put them in, because whenever we move the green feed, we need to. Yep. So the next thing we put on is the feed bin. But before we put the feed bin on, we're going to put a rubber seal around this. We're not going to do the back side. We're going to do this side. I'll bring the. We're going to seal it along this face, from there, from that corner, not there, just to there, and but we to there, to the edge of there, but we don't stretch this. Just lay it flat, and then cut it off at that point there. Okay, can someone cut that?
I know I'm the only one wearing a hat, but if anybody else wants a hat, I have a spare cap.
Thank you.
I can give you.
Yeah.
Yep. This.
It's a little bit long.
Oh,
We'll cut it off.
longer.
It'll be right. We've probably stretched it a little bit. That's all right.
Yeah. Also.
So same on the other side.
The same. Another side.
You can cut
Yeah,
it. This,
yeah.
Don't stretch it, but
Yeah.
you're gonna cut this one.
Yeah, just cut that one off.
I know you're gonna have to take it off.
My Cobra. Thanks, Roger. Try not to stretch it if you can. It doesn't matter if you stretch it a little bit, but because it'll make it a bit thinner.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. So first thing, we need someone to hold those six screws.
6.
And we need 2 people to bring the feed bin.
Yeah, the 15. Someone.
It needs 2 people.
You can keep it, and I can. This one.
Okay.
So there should be 6 screws to put back in. Now, so
This side.
now, so this goes crossways like this. Be very careful not to damage this as you go over, and very careful to not catch your fingers. Okay, so me. Okay, turn it. Bring yours round further. Now you see the screw holes. Line it up.
Careful your hand.
This is.
Keep here.
Yeah, that's right. Now, just balance it on there.
You can see the hole.
Have you got all the screws out? That's it. That's it.
All right. Move forward.
Oh, yours didn't go on. No, on the outside.
You're gonna have to lift a little bit.
Yeah.
Up for him. It's okay. Okay.
No, now we've gone my side off. Let me just try. Just hold there.
You keep.
So just you let me. Just let me do. Just watch your fingers.
No. Your finger. Careful. Okay.
You alright? Okay, the other side.
So we just move it. So now the screws have the, before you put them in, we need to put some of the magic stuff. If I can get the lid off. Which is the lid?
It is funny because in
that the lid?
Australia, if you buy Loctite product, it is stuff that makes it will never undo.
Yeah.
So for this to be Loctite and makes it undo, that is.
Is that coming off? Or you're winding it out? I think.
Like a lady.
Ah, there you go.
I can use some like
Yeah. So you just rub a bit on the, especially on the thread.
Yeah.
What is it?
If you twist the bottom, it'll probably push it up like a.
Cool. Yeah, right. Like a lipstick. Let's kill lipstick for you. Yeah, the lady with lipstick can you?
Silver lipstick.
It's not working.
Oh, because I think that's been pushed up. So someone screwed it when it was.
Yeah, screw it.
Couldn't move it up.
Who did that?
Through the middle.
Yeah.
So we just get a bit
Yeah.
around it, and it will screw when if you put it on the end, it will screw in as it goes.
Continuous?
Yep. So then we don't
Yeah.
tighten them. So get all the
Yeah,
screws
yeah.
in first.
Yeah.
You ask them. On the tip. Yeah. You come more.
So there should be a spring washer and an ordinary washer. Don't tighten it up yet because we might need to move it a bit.
This one first.
Yeah, then the spring washer. Yeah. We got one more somewhere? Yeah.
Finally.
Yeah. Just tighten them up all. Yeah, they can all be, once they're in, they're all in.